EPIX is down 62.76%. This is Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025. You surely must have heard that the company is in its final corporate phase and is executing a wind down or a wind up and returning capital to shareholders through its acquisition by XenoTherapeutics. Its share price have seen extreme volatility, particularly around the dividend distribution timing of yesterday and Friday, the 22nd. Post-dividend, shares are now trading ex-dividend and remain oversold, though technical indicators continue to warn of caution. So, yeah, that's what's going on. So the stock is maybe it may get really volatile because short sellers are obviously, as you can imagine, they're here and they have sold a lot and they're still holding their short positions. It's so the stock is now very hard to borrow, so it may be difficult for them to continue to even out their holdings, their positions. So you know, such conditions always may result in a sort of volatility, a short squeeze or volatility expansion, because the short sellers and sellers help to dampen the momentum, the momentum, the upward, the volatility helps to do that. If they are not able to do that, and short sellers usually they have the capital, mostly, typically they have the capital, they have the position, they have the ability to sell huge amounts, and they can sell it aggressively as well to help to cushion this. But if their orders are not being met because it's the stock is hard to borrow, then you may find out that they are priced out of the market, and then you may find out that it may or may not spike. It may or may not spike. So this is what's going on right now. This is the pre-market session of Tuesday. So the current price is 0.296. So we have to go up and see where the action is. Yeah, because it's these guys want. Okay, it's this is where it is now. This they are trading, they are buying. You can see sellers are not active here, but it doesn't mean that they're not active right here because they've just they got involved now. So we see more of you can clearly see that we see more of buying. I don't want to conclude that is because short sellers have not been able to keep shorting more, but if buyers keep buying, if they keep buying and sellers and short sellers are not able to participate, then it might be just a dramatic scene. Yeah, it's a stock that the company is winding down, so it's always like this. It's always fascinating and intriguing, if anything. Yeah, so that's what's going on. So you need to be very much aware of that. Yeah. So it's very risky to start getting involved unless you know what you're doing. Okay. So lower prices are expected to keep printing at least up till Thursday the 28th, and sideways movement is expected to play out thereafter. Okay, we have everything is severely bearish. Yeah, severely bearish as you can expect. Yeah, let's just replay what has been going on the stock. Okay, all of these happened this morning. 3, 2. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's back to where it is now, right now. Okay, so volatility is expected to keep playing out. There's a good chance it may continue to play out as it's enticing to short sellers, and wherever short sellers go, you'll also find those who want to who follow them, who because where they are, there's a potential for volatility to occur. So let's see what we're tonight. The price has moved down. So yeah, it's yeah, that's where it is now. Yeah, it's somewhere here. That's a huge, well, relatively, relatively large. Could be bigger than that. So it's active. It's definitely attracting a lot of traders. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.